Yes. Good evening, viewers. Today, I will discuss with you how to prepare answers of long answer type questions. Mainly today, I'll tell you the framing of answers, long answer type questions for ISC Commerce means 12 Commerce. Mainly the features. Today, I will discuss on features, long answer type and short answer type on features. For example, suppose explain the features of business environment. It is a question of 5 marks long answer type. So obviously you have to write here 5 points, and if name of points are given, then you have to write name of points, half mark for a point and half mark for the explanation. Half mark for the explanation. Now the technique of explanation you have to learn here, how to explain the name of the point in the explanation. Suppose it is written, you see, totality of external and internal forces. Now here words given here, totality, external and internal. You have to explain those words in the shortest route in your explanation, because half mark, mind it, for the explanation. Half you have got already on point. So you see, totality word is to be explained by giving, it is the aggregate of the factors. Just replacing the or alternative word or a nearest meaning word of forces, you have written factors. So aggregate in place of total. Now external and internal. Mostly external to business environment. Complete. Words you see, aggregate and mostly external, means internal are also there. Next you go to the point, general and specific. So here general and specific, those two terms you have to explain. So now general and specific. So now you see, what about general? It includes general factor. Many have written general factors such as social, economical, political, legal, technological. Now answer is general factors indirectly affecting many enterprises. That is main. General means many enterprises, affecting indirectly many enterprises. Now specific factors such as this, no need of writing all those. I have written there, but no need. You have to write specific means what? Directly affecting individual enterprises. So specific means individual enterprise and general means many enterprises. These two are main words here to explain. Now next point is interrelatedness. Interrelatedness you have to explain by writing, you see, I have written closely interconnected. Just replacing the word interrelatedness is interconnected. You may or may not write this word. Main explanation is how are they interrelated. You have to write, it means in case of changes in one area, there must be changes in other areas also. This is main answer. This is main. Changes in one area, that is interrelatedness. Changes in one area, there must be changes in other areas also. Complete. Next is the point, we have 5 points to write. Next point is relativity. Suppose relativity, business environment is relative concept. Main answer is, you see, when the examiner will see, he will see how, not in relative concept, these are not required. Impact, its impact differs from country to country, main answer, and even region to regions, depending on the local culture, conditions, situations. You'll write these for completing the sentence, but here it are not to be read for sentence structure, for grammar, for spelling. All these are not required. Mainly you see, impact differs from country to, when the examiner will see that much, impact differs complete from country to country, enough, you'll get that half mark. So next point is Dynamic. Point dynamic is to be explained. Whatever you have written, not static, all this, mainly change in nature. Changing in nature is to be seen. Dynamic means changing in nature. When the examiner will see changing in nature, he will give you the marks. No need to say that he will go forward. Demanding, the changing, all these things, just you have to complete. But main is changing in nature. Dynamic means changing in nature. Now the same question, if is asked for short answer type. Short answer type means answer will be short, means the concept is if name of point is given, then you will write only name of point. Here in this case, just point name is there, so point name we write, 2 point names you will write, no need of explanation, and for 1 point 1 mark. If point is given, name of point is given, no need of explanation for short answer type. That is the concept of short answer type. No no adjustment, no explanation is required. Now you go to the question of long answer type question, where point names are not given. You see, example, state the features of NEFT, 4 marks suppose, then 4 points you have to write. 4 here point names are not given, I have not taken the point names. Then how to write statement to be presented there? How to write? You see, a bank branch must be NEFT enabled. So must be NEFT enabled is enough for 1 mark. Then second is 4 marks, 4 points you have to write. Second is one can make use of NEFT even without having bank account by depositing cash. Without having bank account, by depositing cash. You have to write the full portion. Second, 1 mark. Then third point, there is no minimum or maximum amount when one has a bank account. If you have bank account, then this is the point. Minimum, maximum amount are not fixed. Any amount you can transfer. Then maximum amount for NEFT without bank account is this. This has a limitation, 49,900. This is amount to be explained here. Next is, see, no changes are to be no charges are to be paid by the sender or receiver. No charges. Then 6 points I have taken, but 4 points you have to write. And if this same question is asked for short answer type, then also content of answer will be equal, same, 1 sentence, but 2 points you have to write, because there are 2 marks for each question in short answer type question. So when the point name is not given, statements are given, the answer pattern is to be, length of answer is to be same, concept of writing answer is to be same in case of long answer and short answer also, sentence wise. Thank you.